Welcome back to the channel that brings you the boldest machines, the wildest performance, and everything in between. If you love trucks that roar, cars that turn heads, and power you can feel in your chest, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe for more real-world reviews, deep dives, and honest takes on the rides that matter. Today, we've got something very special. The 2026 Shelby F-150. This isn't your average pickup. The Shelby F-150 takes America's best-selling truck and injects it with raw, unfiltered performance. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it's built to dominate both the street and the dirt. This is where muscle car attitude meets full-size utility, and the result is pure madness, in the best way possible. Let's start with the heart of this beast. Under the hood, you'll find a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 that pushes out a staggering 775 horsepower. That's not a typo. This truck isn't just powerful for a pickup, it's powerful for anything on four wheels. It's the kind of truck that will pin you to your seat with a flick of the throttle and still tow your trailer to the track. Paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, the power delivery is smooth, fast, and surprisingly refined. You get instant torque when you need it, and plenty of control when you're cruising. Whether you're blasting down the highway or carving through back roads, the 2026 Shelby F-150 is just as much about control as it is about chaos. But power is only part of the story. This truck looks like it means business. The exterior gets the full Shelby treatment: bold stripes, a vented hood, custom front grille, aggressive bumpers, and functional aero components. It sits on 22-inch Shelby alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber with a lifted suspension that gives it a confident, towering presence. It's available in several bold color options, each accented by that unmistakable Shelby branding along the sides and tailgate. Off-road capability, it's there in full force. Shelby equips the F-150 with upgraded Fox suspension components, high-performance shocks, and a BDS lift system that makes this truck just as ready for the dunes as it is for the drag strip. There's plenty of wheel travel, enhanced underbody protection, and a serious four-wheel drive system that doesn't shy away from rough terrain. Inside the cabin, Shelby has gone for a blend of performance and comfort. You get custom leather-trimmed seats with Shelby embroidery, carbon fiber accents, and a serialized dash plate to remind you that you're not driving something ordinary. The interior is based on the premium F-150 trims, so you're still getting a big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium sound system, and all the driver assist tech you'd expect in a modern truck. There's a real sense of occasion when you sit in the 2026 Shelby F-150. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. You feel it every time you fire up that engine in here. The deep, throaty rumble through the custom Borla exhaust system. This thing wants to be heard. Now, let's be real. This truck isn't for everyone. It's expensive, it's loud, and it's built with a very specific kind of driver in mind. If you're just looking for a truck to get you from point A to point B, this isn't it. But if you want something that turns heads, hauls serious power, and delivers one of the most exciting driving experiences available in a pickup, this might be the one. It's also worth mentioning the exclusivity. Shelby only builds a limited number of these each year, and each one is numbered and registered in the official Shelby registry. That adds a collector vibe to what is already one of the wildest street-legal trucks out there. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Shelby F-150 the ultimate performance pickup, or is it over the top? Would you take this over something like the TRX or the Raptor R? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the ride, and subscribe for more high horsepower content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.